correspondence from His Excellency, the Executive Governor of Rivers State. And I'll read. Right, the Honorable Victor Oko-Jumbo, Speaker, Rivers State House of Assembly, Port Harcourt, requests for screening and confirmation of Barrister Emmanuel Frank-Fubara as Commissioner nominee. Pursuant to Section 192 of the 1999 Constitution as amended, it is my pleasure to forward Barrister Emmanuel Frank-Fubara to the Rivers State House of Assembly for screening and confirmation as Commissioner and member of the Rivers State Executive Council. Thank you for the prompt attention accorded to my requests by the House, and please accept, Mr. Speaker, the assurance of my highest regards. Signed, Sir Seminala Fubara, Grand Service Star of Rivers State, Governor of Rivers State.
Screening and confirmation of Commissioner nominee. 2. Rivers State Emergency Management Agency Bill 2004 HA1, second reading. 3. Rivers State Transport Authority Reform Bill 2004 HA2, second reading.
The Honorable Speaker, dear colleagues, I rise this morning to move a motion that the Commissioner nominee be ushered into the chamber. I so move.
I also second the motion ably moved by my friend and brother, the only good boy in the century. I so second.
Welcome to the Hallowed Chamber, Emmanuel Onengie Frank-Fubara. Please stand up.
I am an indigene of Abonima, in Oko-Jumbo local government area of Rivers State. In Oko-Jumbo local government area of Rivers State. I am a legal practitioner based in Port Harcourt, and I've been in legal practice for 26 years. But before I graduated and became a lawyer, I attended Calabari National College, Buguma, and obtained wax certificate in 1988. Thereafter, I proceeded to Rivers State University of Science and Technology, now known as Rivers State University, and obtained my LLB certificate in 1996. I then proceeded to Nigerian Law School and was called to bar in 1998. Thereafter, I enrolled in the National Youth Service in Lagos and passed out in 1999. And then I commenced my legal practice thereafter. I started my practice in Lagos, subsequently moved to Abuja, and then finally relocated to Port Harcourt, where I opened my law office and christened it as Frank-Fubara and Co. I'm the managing solicitor of that law office, and we have been in practice ever since. Thank you. Honorable Speaker.
Two questions for Mr. Nominee. First question is, in your CV, it has always been a private sector venture for you. I have not seen anyone you served in the public sector. I wish to ask, how will you cope in this newfound environment? And the second question is, right from when your name was forwarded to the House, we saw Fubara, and what came to our mind is Executive Governor of Rivers State. We want to know, is there any linkage? Is it your elder brother, your father, or anything? Thank you.
Leader, the name Fubara.
I saw a lot of posts on social media alleging all sorts of things. But let me put the past very clear. I am from Abonima, and I have no any blood relationship with the governor. The only relationship I have with him is a working relationship. That is it. Secondly, in respect to this your public engagement of whether I have been involved in any public engagement, yes, I have. I have been appointed into several committees, several boards, commissions in Rivers State. And I believe that that has also built my profile, to engage in public service. I believe and I know that I have the requisite qualifications, the requisite experience to handle, as you know, the law profession, we are regarded as learned. We have touched almost every sector that you can just imagine. And I know that wherever I find myself at the end of the day, I will be able to discharge the duties of my office creditably.
Commissioner Nominee.
Sokari, good boy, Sokari, leader of the 10th Assembly. In a way of advice, I would say, Mr. Commissioner Nominee, as you start your job, look at the face of these people here. They've played a role in ensuring that you are admitted into the executive arm of this fast-moving government, a government that has turned Rivers State into a construction site. And we wish you well in this new journey and pray that you support His Excellency to deliver on his given mandate. On this note, may I move a motion that the Commissioner Nominee be escorted out of the Hallowed Chamber. I so move.
Deputy Speaker.
My dear colleague, I rise to second the motion moved by the leader of the House that the Commissioner Nominee be escorted out. I say second.
I'll say, Mr. Speaker and my colleague, we shouldn't waste much time in debating on the charisma, the qualification, and the standard of the nominee before us. And I urge my colleague to, without any further delay, to approve this nomination. I so move.
In line with the leader and his suggestion, I want to simply toe his line. Reason being that I've said that the commissioner nominee I know him for over 15 years running. And there's a common word I used to use. He has impeccable character. A man that is known to the people. The man is receptive, very accessible. A man that, if given this opportunity, will serve the state, as I know, to the best of his knowledge and ability. I want to join the leader of the 10th Assembly to say that there will be no need wasting much time in this confirmation or debate. Mr. Speaker, I want to indulge you because the law is at your bosom. You decide how much you want to cut and how less you want to leave. Please, let us, without any further delay, allow him easy passage as so second.
The commissioner nominee, Emmanuel Frank-Fubara, be approved for his appointment as a commissioner in Rivers State. Say aye. All those against, say nay. The ayes have it.